Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do an unboxing of this thing right here. And maybe we can use it to charge my little tablet over there. We'll see. 100 plus hours extra battery. Cool. And that's all the stuff there. Alright, let's see if we can open it up. Maybe I should use two hands. Let's put my tablet over here. There's my little stand here. There we are. Same thing. Okay. Let's see. I want to tear the box. I'm hoping that I can use it to keep it there. That way, little storage box. Maybe I can use another connect stick. There we go. I don't have to tear it. Okay. Maybe it's like this. There we go. Ooh, look, pretty gray. And there's nothing else. Oh, look, it was bottomless. Okay. And then take it out. Oh, whoa, it's a big one. Look at how thick that thing is. Wow-wee, that's big. Let me take a picture of it real quick. Oh, I turned it on. I accidentally turned it on by pushing this button. Okay. Oh, wow. Alright, there it is. And so it works. Right, there's two lights there. Okay, so let's see what we got here. A little booklet inside and a USB thing somewhere in there. Okay, little instruction booklet. Little USB here. Power for all. Let's see what the booklet says. It's in fine print. Okay, well I can read it. It looks like it's in a bunch of different languages. Okay, so that's nice that way they made it enjoyable for everyone. Warranty, exclusions, limitations, warning. Okay, so I guess I'll just pause it while I read this. Okay, so the instructions say I gotta charge it before its first use. So I guess I better go ahead and do that. Okay. Guess I should use this one. And it didn't come with an adapter, so I guess I'll just use the one that I got. And it says it doesn't specify. So this is an Apple brand product. I should have gotten the cheaper one. I don't think I need all this. Yep. Okay. Actually, it specifies right there. Input 5 volts equals 1.5A. Can't see with this blurry. There you go. And the output 5 volts equals 2.1A. Times 2 times 2. Where's the other one though? Because it has a 1.0A. See, those are the two that it's talking about right there. But over there on the plug, it doesn't specify. So I was guessing it was right here, but it says 1.5. That's not 1.0. Oh well. Let me check my thing here. Output 1A. So this thing is safe for Apple products. For the iPhones. Because if you go too high, then it doesn't work. Dang it, I can't focus. There you go, 1A. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and plug it in then. Okay, there it is. It's charging with the cord that it came with. So I'll just leave it there. So yeah, I bought the one that was too expensive. It's for like Apple phones. Dang it. And iPads, Apple tablets. Alright. It's alright if I guess I can lend it to my mom. She has an iPhone 2 actually. I don't think she'll ever need it though. It's okay. Alright, thanks.